No, no. Oh my God, it's giant.
Well, it's one of those park models. It's got a loft.
Oh, that's nice. Got what looks like a king-size bed, or a couple mattresses. A storage, big storage area.
Bar stools. Nice big L-shaped sofa.
Powder room. Yeah, powder room. It's kind of nice to put the powder rooms in.
Oh wow. Singing my song. I even like the way they're positioned there. See the shower.
I was curious about the sofa. Does that sofa slide across the floor? You got to pull it out with it with the slide in.
Oh, with just hinges.
Oh, it hinges.
That's pretty cool.
Which way are we going? This way?